Similar priced options. Exploring similarly priced options to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra provides a broader perspective and allows you to compare features, specifications, and overall value. By considering alternative smartphones within the same price range, you can make a more informed decision about your purchase and ensure that you get the best possible device for your budget. 1. iPhone 15 Pro. One of the main competitors to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the iPhone 15 Pro from Apple. Priced similarly to the S24 Ultra, the iPhone 15 Pro offers a premium design, a powerful chipset, and an advanced camera system. Consider factors such as ecosystem compatibility, software experience, and brand preference when comparing the iPhone 15 Pro to the S24 Ultra. 2. Google Pixel 7 Pro. Another compelling option in the same price range is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Known for its exceptional camera quality and clean software experience, the Pixel 7 Pro offers a unique alternative to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Consider factors such as camera performance, software updates, and design preferences when comparing these two devices. 3. OnePlus 11 Pro. The OnePlus 11 Pro is another flagship smartphone, priced similarly to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Known for its fast performance, clean software experience, and competitive pricing, the OnePlus 11 Pro offers a compelling alternative for users seeking a high-performance device. Compare factors such as display technology, camera capabilities, and software features when evaluating the OnePlus 11 Pro against the S24 Ultra. 4. Sony Xperia 1 IV. Sony's Xperia 1 IV is a premium smartphone that competes directly with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Packed with features such as a high-quality display, advanced camera system, and robust multimedia capabilities, the Xperia 1 IV offers a unique alternative for users interested in Sony's ecosystem. Consider factors such as display quality, camera performance, and multimedia features when comparing the Xperia 1 IV to the S24 Ultra. 5. Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro. Xiaomi's Mi 12 Pro is another flagship smartphone that offers competitive features and specifications at a similar price point to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Known for its innovative design, high-performance chipset, and advanced camera technology, the Mi 12 Pro provides a compelling alternative for users seeking a feature-packed device. Compare factors such as design, performance, and camera capabilities when evaluating the Mi 12 Pro against the S24 Ultra. 6. User preferences and priorities. Ultimately, the best smartphone for you depends on your own preferences and priorities. Consider factors such as design, performance, camera quality, software experience, and brand reputation when comparing similarly priced options to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Take the time to research and evaluate each device thoroughly to ensure that you make the right choice for your needs and budget.